Since its debut in 2010, the Clay Paky Sharpy has been the staple beam on the market. Its compact design and its speed made it ideal for all types of shows. These lights are also standing the test of time, coming up on 15 years old. To keep these lights up and running to their third decade, quality maintenance is the key. With over 100 beams to tech, we needed more firepower than our normal 12 light quality control line. We lined up 29 beams on 10 circuits of each truss of our self-climbing truss rig. The total of 116 beams utilized 8 universes pulling 195 amps. The first thing we want to do is check the firmware versions between each light. Our first fixture is on the latest version, 2.25.5. The one next to it is running 2.25.3. There are two ways to update the Sharpy, the first way being via network. The second way, which we will utilize here, is from fixture to fixture via DMX. Using the advanced menu, enter the password 1234 and send firmware to all fixtures in your DMX line. Once our fixtures are up to date, I want to check the lamp hours, replace any that look bad, and see if there's any over 1,000. You can check lamp hours in the menu or using the RDM window in Grand MA. The Sharpy takes MSD Platinum 5R lamps. Remove the cooling fan to access the lamp. With the lamp wires removed, push down and pull away to remove the lamp from its seat. Replacing it is just as easy. With the new lamp in, reset the lamp hour counter. Be sure to dispose of your arc lamps properly. Looking down the line of fixtures, we could see that the home positions didn't exactly line up. You can adjust the exact position using the calibration option in the menu. We bought a good majority of these Sharpy second-hand, and one of the things we found was an upside-down PowerCon port. This can be easily flipped with a screwdriver and an accompanying nut driver or pliers. Within our assortment of Sharpy, we found a cracked color flag. The flags can be replaced, but we opted to just swap the whole wheel since we have the parts to do so. The color wheel sits atop a magnet on the motor. When reinstalling, pay close attention to the alignment pin and the hole on the wheel. Once the wheel is installed, we want to clean off any dust or fingerprints. One common error on the Sharpy can be seen here. One of the head fans that cools the lamp has died. Removal and installation of a working fan is fairly simple and only takes a few minutes. Some of the other errors we encountered were a slew of board errors and some focus sensor errors, both of which are better suited for repair room service. To be extremely thorough, we removed any dirty lens assemblies, and using a lens ring spanner wrench, we separated the glass lenses to clean them individually. With all these issues sorted out, let's get to our tech sequence. The The tech sequence is built using GrandMA2 and runs through each attribute of the light to find any issues that may arise with individual functions or catch the small issues, such as the cracked color wheel, that the fixture can't tell you about. With our Sharpies firing on all cylinders, it's time to have some fun. Our final step is cleaning these fixtures up. We're going to blow out all the fans in the head and the base, wipe down the lenses, then wipe down the bodies before casing them up for their next show. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to teching Clay Paky Sharpies. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe.